manifest, please make it manifest, please make it manifest. Would all those in favor, please make it manifest. I'm the diddly-whack Mac Mormon Daddy. Would all those in favor, please make it manifest, please make it manifest, please make it manifest. Would all those in favor, please make it manifest. I'm the diddly-whack Mac Mormon Daddy. People tell me that's funny to give a tenth of all your money, but I do it no regret because of all the blessings that I get. And peace with other well-dressed guys. So many people let their spirits get persuaded by the devil, but I say get the hands, I'm never gonna sink to your level. You're talking evil, you want my face to be covered with mud. You stupid dummy, I hope you're running heck with this crud. I'm a diddly-whack Mac Mormon Daddy. Yo, my peeps all be conforming cause it's cool to be a Mormon. I'm the blackjack Saint, no with crack daddy, yo. I'm the knick-knack paddywhack daddy. Yo, my peeps all be conforming cause it's fly to be a Mormon. I'm the fat knock Jack Mormon Daddy. And I'm spiritual. I'm spiritual. I'm the fat knock Jack Mormon Daddy.
Talk about 2 years, baby.
I'm spiritual. I'm the fat knock Jack Mormon Daddy.
Alright, you. No more cussing, lying, no more parties, no more flirting. Going off to serve the Lord beyond the Zion curtain. Yes, I'm afraid your wants to come as I travel across the sea. But what scares me most is that you went away from me. What's it gonna be, girl? It's me against the world. No, don't even think about it. Drinking stinks, stinky drink, no doubt about it. Oh, 14, better for you, don't you doubt it. Keep your body clean. Let's shout it. Go, 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 stop. Of my life, my heart's prayer was answered when you agreed to be my wife. Your love's like a cancer, girl, 'cause I've got no resistance. There's only one answer, girl, you've got to keep your distance. Love me, but don't show me.
juice box, no Rice Krispie treats. I need something higher to keep me on my feet.
Nourish and strengthen our bodies and do us the good that we need to carry us through the rest of this day. Nourish and strengthen our bodies, our meals and greed.
Be it casserole or jello, bless it. Ooh, these things we pray.
Nourish us today. Oh yeah. Nourish us today. Nourish us today. Nourish us today. Ooh, sweet spirit, you're so nice. You may not appear it, but your soul's a pearl of great price. You're such a good person, sincere and true. You just keep rehearsing, and one day you might say, I do.
That will be so nice for you.
I do.
That will be so nice for you.
French overhead, what the holy scrub? Say what? 18 double hockey sticks, that's friggin' flipping crust. I don't get it.
I can't believe you said that. You're such a potty mouth.
What?
I can't believe you said that. You're such a potty mouth. I can't believe you said that. You're such a potty mouth. I can't believe you said that. You're such a potty mouth. You are so freaking bad. My ear is curled.
Dare you cut me off driving?
Oh my head.
There's just no telling what my mouth might say. I'll break out a string of non-profanity to make your ears curl.
That's friggin' flipping crust. I can't believe that.
If my football team is losing, if a brick falls on my head, if you go boom and you catch me unawares, my reaction will display a certain G-rated tone so as to not offend the man upstairs. That's when I say,
You are so freaking bad.
My wages with the rock and roll of ages. We're a spiritual sensation and a triple combination.
loving one another, as a word to your brother. But the Provo, this is who we are.
'Cause we are never mean, cleaner than Listerine. Not a word ever mean, not even close to a scene. We sing songs sweeter than sugar tongues. Come and make your mind sound wrong. Bring it up to wrong, yeah.
Separate the tares from the wheat. Just play the funky mom and beat.
Hold my legs inside these pants and watch this crazy mom and prance.
Hit you with precision. Have a moment on a mission. Sons of Provo, listen to us all. Sons of Provo, this is who we are.